Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is Google Search Console. As you can see my screen here in the Google search engine, I am just searching for Google Search Console, right? And you can see in the Google search engine result page, the first search result is of Google Search Console platform. Right here, meta description is written that Search Console tools and reports helps you measure your site search traffic and performance and fix issues and make your site shine in Google search result. It means Google Search Console is a platform or a service provided by Google which helps website owners in tracking the performance of their website in Google search results, right? They can even know like which pages of their websites are indexed and which pages of their website are not indexed, and what was the reason why those web pages were not indexed in Google search engine result, why they are not showing to Google's user, right? So they can come to know about those issues and can resolve those issues, as well as they can know like which pages of their website are doing well in Google search result, like how many times their particular web page appear in search results whenever a user searches for any query related to that web page, right? So they can do research on those keywords, right? If any pages are performing well, then they can come to know like how users are finding it, like what users are searching for which keywords, and obviously they are going to get the opportunity about those keywords. They can simply write content related to it, right? And or they can create new web pages related to those keywords, right? As well as they can monitor the performance, right? Like how many people have clicked on those web pages in the search results, so they can come to know like how traffic is coming to their website, right? So let me open this Google Search Console and show you. Okay, here is the platform. Improve your performance on Google search results, right? Google search engine. Yeah, obviously if you are coming to know about the performance of your pages in Google search engine results, and you can easily identify the issues, right, due to which your pages are not getting indexed, then you are going to work upon them, upon those issues, and you can resolve them, and you can make those web pages shine in Google search results. So this is the platform, right? As you can see here, optimize your content with search analytics. Obviously you are going to get a good analytics of your site performance. Then you can simply improve your content so that your position on Google search engine result becomes higher. You can connect with your website with the Google Search Console so that robots can easily crawl your website content and can index those web pages which are relevant or having index tag. So basically this is Google Search Console. You can optimize your website for the AMP version, and you can know about the core web vitals which we cover in technical SEO part, right? And rich results. Okay, let's start this and let me show you my dashboard, right? This is a dashboard of my new website, right? So let me change it to another so you come to know better about it. Okay, I've changed the property from here, right? So this website I started on and around 6 months before, right? And you can check like 283 people have clicked on this website web pages from search engine. Okay, coming to the full performance, as you can see my website web pages appeared in Google search engine result for like 61,000 times, and 283 users have clicked on those web pages in past 3 months, right? So here we can change it to last 12 months as well. Okay, so like this website is started recently. Let me change to another one. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so in previous 12 months like 73,000 times my web pages were appeared in Google search engine result page, and like 695 users have clicked on those search engine result page positions where my web pages were getting displayed. So like we can come to know about these things from here, as well as we can know about the queries like what people were searching for, and when they clicked on our website, right? So like people were searching for digital marketing in Bikaner, and 502 times my website was shown to them, and like 15 users clicked on my web page that was showing in the search engine result page, right? So it is like this. Let me check for a new website, right, which I recently created on and around like 7 days to 10 days before. So like 1540 times my web pages are shown in the Google search engine result page, and 3 users have clicked, right? Here I can come to know like for which keywords my web pages were shown. So this is how you can simply use Google Search Console, and I hope I have answered your question, what is Google Search Console. If you want to learn more about Google Search Console, then I am going to add the link of my blog in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Google Search Console. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.